Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths second chapter integral calculus 1 exercise 2.1. Let us see the fifth question. Integrate 8x plus 30 divided by root of 4x plus 7. Now we have to integrate this one. First we have to change this 14. We have to split into, that is equal to 8x plus 14 minus 1. We have to the 13 one split into 14 minus 1 divided by root of 4x plus 7. Now we have to integrate this one and we have to change into integral of, we have to do dx. So integral of, we have to take the common for these two terms, 2 into 4x plus 7 minus 1 divided by root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Now we have to take into two terms. One is 4x by plus 7 divided by root of 4x plus 7 minus 1 by root of 4x plus 7. So 2 into integral of 4x plus 7 divided by root of 4x plus 7 and minus integral of 1 by root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Here also you have to integrate with dx. So that is equal to, you have to take this for 2 into integral of root of 4x plus 7 into root of 4x plus 7 divided by root of 4x plus 7 minus integral of 1 divided by root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Now we have to strike out this one and we will get 2 into integral of 1 root of 4x plus 7 into dx minus integral of root of 1 by root of 4x power 7, that is 1 by 4x plus 7 the whole power 1 by 2 into dx. So the next step is 2 into integral of 4x plus 7 the whole power 1 by 2 into dx minus integral of 4x plus 7 the whole power minus 1 by 2, because it is in the denominator, it goes into the numerator minus 1 by 2. So 2 into, now you have to integrate this term ax plus b formula. So what is ax plus b means? Ax plus b the whole power n plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 4 into a into 3 by 2. A into 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 minus, here also you have to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by 2 plus 1 we will get 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So we will get 2 is the LCM, so minus 1 here plus 2. So the answer is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So what we have to do for this step? 4x plus 7 the whole power 1 by 2 divided by 4 into 1 by 2 plus c. So that is equal to, what is the answer for this one? 2 2s are 4. So cancel here also 2 2s are 4. Is it? So here 3 through 3s are 6. So 2 3s are mixed, 2 and 2 cancel. So 3 only here. So what is the answer for this one? 4x plus 7 the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus, here 2 is there. So 4x plus 7 the whole power 1 by 2 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for the fifth question. The next question is sixth question, 1 by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. So you have to integrate this one integration of 1 by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 into dx. What we have to do first, we have to take the conjugate. What is the conjugate? You have to take the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. So you have to multiply and divide. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 into dx. This is a plus b into a minus b format. So you have to take as the denominator of a squared minus b squared. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by a squared. What is a? Root of x plus 1 the whole squared minus root of x minus 1 the whole square, and square and root will be cancelled. So that is equal to, here put dx, and that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by here x plus 1 minus x, and minus of minus plus 1. So x and x will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by 2 into dx. What you have to do in the next step? This is the constant term. So you have to take out of 1 by 2 into integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 into dx. So students, the next step is 1 by 2 into root of x plus 1 is changed into x plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Now we have to integrate this one. We have to x plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 means that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 the whole power n plus 1, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 in plus c. So what we have to do, this is both are same denominator. So you have to take 3 by 2 outside. So what is the answer to 3 by 2 means into 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 into common term for these two terms. So 2 by 3, 2 cancel. So that is equal to x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So the remaining 1 by 3 into x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. The next question, if f dash of x is equal to 8x cube minus 2x, then f of 2 is equal to 8, then find f of x. What is given in the question? F dash of x is equal to 8x cube minus 2x. And we have to integrate this one. F dash of x is equal to integral of 8x cube minus 2x into dx. We have to integrate this one. F dash of x integrate means we have to get f of x. F of x is equal to 8x power 4 divided by 4 minus 2 into x squared by 2 plus c. So 4 2s are 8, here 2 cancel. So what is the answer for f of x? F of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus x square plus c. What is given in the question? F of 2 is equal to 8. So f of 2 is equal to 8. So you have to substitute in this equation for 2. So 2x power 4 minus x squared plus c is equal to 8. You have to substitute instead of x, you have to substitute 2. So what is 2 means? 2 into 2 power 4 minus 2 squared plus c is equal to 8. So 2 power 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2, 32 minus 2 2s are 4 plus c is equal to 8. So 32 minus 4, 28. So c is equal to 8 minus here 28. So c is equal to minus 20. C is equal to minus 20 we have to find out. So now we have to substitute in this. F of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus x squared plus c. So you have to substitute. What we have to substitute in this? C is equal to minus 20. So f of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus x squared, c is minus 20. So 2x power 4 minus x squared minus 20 is f of x. This is the answer. Thank you students. Thank you for listening.